Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video, I'll be taking you guys on a trip to Everest Base Camp, and this is my self-organized trip without any porter or guide. And in this video, I'll show you all the details, each and every day, how much money we spent, where we stayed. The whole itinerary of Everest Base Camp for your self-organized trip can be benefited from this video. So it's 9:30 AM now and we are starting from Namche. So before leaving Namche Bazar, you should grab everything that you need, because this is the last stop where you will find everything. Basically, there are two routes to hike the Everest Base Camp. One is the traditional one through Tengboche, Loboche, but we are going through the Gokyo Peak route. So we'll be crossing the Gokyo Lake and then go to the Everest Base Camp, and while returning we will take the traditional route. Today is our 5th day. We started from Namche, and yesterday we went to Kumzung and Kunde village via this route. So we came down that way. Yesterday we went up for the Everest viewpoint and Kumzung village, and today we are going this way for Gokyo. So all over the way to Everest Base Camp, you have such small dustbins made for plastic and paper and glass and can, where you can deposit all the waste rather than spilling it on the path. If you can see in the tiny frame, that village there is Kyang Zuma, and up there you see is the Sanasa village. What you see down there, the stream that's flowing, that's called as Dudh Koshi. This is the Kyang Zuma village. These are some authentic local products that you can buy. There are yak cheese and yak necklace made of yak bones. These are a bit pricey, but they are really nice. Also bracelets. These are shawls made of yak wool. This is beautiful if you want to teach your kids the alphabets. You might have seen these on the papers, but looking at this beautiful craft, oh my god, this is such an amazing craft. When you are in Kyang Zuma village, do try some yak cheese here. It's amazing, so don't miss that. These tiny bags that you see is on which the first holy scripture of Hindus, Ramayana, was written, and this you will be finding only in the Himalaya regions. So now we are heading towards Phortse, and this here we see a board where it mentions that this is the way towards the Gokyo, which is our path, and this other way that you see here, that is the traditional route to Everest Base Camp. You have the marking as well. So from Namche to Phortse, it usually takes us 4 to 5 hours. So on the way to Phortse, this is one steep climb that we have to do. It's pretty ascending till there. So that is behind where we started. Namche is just behind that mountain. We have been walking since last 2.5 hours. On the way from Namche to Phortse, you'll find small villages, 2 villages where you can grab some food and water. And if you are looking for a bottled water, it costs you, until Namche it is 100 rupees, which is NPR, Nepali rupees per bottle. So yeah, it's not bad, but as soon as the altitude increases, the price of the water bottle is increasing as well. But we are using the tap water. We have chlorine drops with us, which we are using it, and yeah, so it's not bad. This is the Mongla village before Phortse. We are in Mong village now, Khumbila, and Phortse Tanga is 1 hour from here. So we are going to have some food here now. So that on the top you see is Phortse, and we will be sleeping somewhere down there where it is called Phortse Tanga. The stream that you see flowing below, that's nothing but the Doodh Koshi. The water color is just like milk, that's why it is called as Doodh Koshi. Milk in Hindi is called as Doodh. So this is Phortse Tanga, which is at an altitude of 3680 meters. This is called as River Resort in Phortse Tanga, where we are going to stay for tonight. All over in Phortse, wherever you wanna stay, they charge you only for the food, and the accommodation is free. So the dinner and breakfast, whatever you do, you have to pay for that, and the room is absolutely free. This is the room. It's very neat and tidy here, and just in behind you can hear the sound of Doodh Koshi river. If you like the video, please do share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.